Dear students, in this class I am going to explain electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is one of the very important topics of chemistry. Without knowing electronic configurations of different elements, it becomes very difficult to study about chemistry. So without wasting time, let us start. Here, what is electronic configuration? Electronic configuration is nothing but arrangement of electrons in an atom. How electrons are arranged? Before going to know that, let's briefly have a look at a structure of an atom. You have studied about a structure of an atom in 10th class, that atom have different orbits and orbitals. What are the orbits? Orbits are the paths of electrons. These paths are classified into 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, or K, L, M, N and so on. This is the first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit and so on. These orbits are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 or K, L, M, N. This was proposed by Niels Bohr, and these orbits are represented by the letter small n that you have studied in 10th class, as well as in 9th class also. You have studied about this. Now come to the subshells. Atom have 4 different subshells: S, P, D, F. S, P, D, F. Here each subshell have again orbitals. Actually, orbitals are the place of electron. S subshell have only one orbital, that is S orbital. P subshell have 3 orbitals called Px, Py, Pz. P subshell have 3 orbitals, Px, Py and Pz. D subshell have 5 orbitals. They are named as dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. Next, F has 7 different orbitals, but its representation is a matter of higher classes, and it's actually very difficult to represent F orbitals. But totally there are 7 F orbitals. Just remember that number, it's enough. Now let's come to the next important point. Each orbital can have a maximum of 2 electrons. Each orbital can have a maximum of 2 electrons. That means now S subshell have only one S orbital, so S subshell or S orbital can have a maximum of 2 electrons. Means it can have 1 electron or 2 electrons. Now P subshell having 3 orbitals, they are Px, Py, Pz. Since each orbital can have a maximum of 2 electrons, P can have 3 2s are 6. Px 2 electrons, P can have 2 electrons, Py can have 2 electrons, Pz can have 2 electrons. Total P can have 6 electrons. Next, D subshell. In D subshell there are 5 orbitals: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square, y square, dz square. Each can have 2 electrons, so 5 2s are 10 electrons. A maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a D subshell or D orbitals is 10. Now just I told you F, there are 7 F orbitals, each can accommodate 2 electrons. 7 2s are 14 electrons, so just remember that number, it's enough. Now let's come to the order of electronic configuration. It's very important. Most of you feel difficulty in remembering electronic configurations. Actually, no need to remember electronic configuration. If you can remember the atomic numbers, it is enough. See, I will explain you in a very simple manner. At present, you try to remember this sequence. Details of this sequence you learn in coming classes. So, here, just I am reading the sequence: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 4p. Between 4s and 4p there is a 3d. Okay. Next, 5s, 5p. In between 5s and 5p there is a 4d. So here these two seems to be similar. These two seems to be similar, and again these two seems to be similar. Now you see the last two sequence 6s 6p. In between 6s and 6p there is 4f and 5d. When it comes to f, the number reduces to 2 units. See here 6 is the maximum number. 6 minus 2 4, 6 minus 1 5. When it comes to d, the number reduces to 1 unit. So similarly here see 7s 7p. So if you want to include f and d, for f the number reduces by 2 units, that is 7 minus 2 5, 5f. When it comes to d, it is 7 minus 1 6, 6d. If you can remember this sequence, you can write the electronic configuration of any element up to 118. Means you can write electronic configurations of all the elements given in the periodic table. Now let us check, we'll practice few elements. Later I will write the electronic configurations of elements up to 30. Say for example, if you want to write electronic configuration of calcium whose atomic number is 20. Calcium atomic number 20. 20 means it has 20 electrons. Now we have to arrange these 20 electrons in a systematic manner. Now first let us try to write this sequence. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, and so on. Now we have a total of 20 electrons in calcium. So S can accommodate how many electrons? S can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons. P can accommodate 6 electrons. D can accommodate 10 electrons. So 2 electrons I am placing in 1s orbital and 2 more electrons in 2s orbital, 6 electrons in p orbitals. Total how many? 2 plus 2 plus 6, 10 electrons over. Still 10 more electrons left. Next 2 more electrons in 3s, 12 over. P can accommodate 6 electrons. Now 10 plus 8, 18 electrons over. Still 2 more electrons are left. So I am placing those 2 electrons in S. That's all. That's the electronic configuration of calcium. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. If you want to write electronic configurations of some higher element like manganese, whose atomic number is 25. Similarly, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. It is very similar to the above one up to 4s2, means 20 electrons we have placed. Still we have 5 more electrons. Next after 4s, which orbital is there? 3d orbitals are there. 3d. D can accommodate how many electrons? D can accommodate a maximum of 10 electrons. But here how many electrons are left? Up to 4s2, total 20 electrons over. We have actually 25 electrons, means 5 more electrons left. These 5 electrons can be easily placed in d orbitals, that is 3d5. This is the electronic configuration of manganese. If you want to write the electronic configuration of any other element, let us take one small element like fluorine, whose atomic number is 9. Now first let us write the sequence 1s, 2s, 2p, and so on. Next, S can accommodate 2 electrons, 2s can accommodate 2 electrons. We have a total of 9 electrons. I have already written 4 electrons here, 1s2, 2s2. Still how many electrons left? Out of 9, 4 already placed, 5 more electrons left. Those 5 can be accommodated in P, isn't it? P can accommodate a maximum of 6 electrons. we have only 5 electrons with us, so those 5 electrons can be placed easily in 5. So what is the electronic configuration of fluorine? 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. That's all, very simple. You no need to by heart all the electronic configurations. If you are perfect with this sequence, energy level, based on the energy levels of orbitals, you can write electronic configuration of any element.